Yeah.
I'm not going to feel, it's hard to guess.
Yeah, is he going to hook up to the Hyundai, you know?
Hyundai.
Pushing Schenker, Safarine. Look.
I've got a problem with the couplers here, so I just want to make sure. Yeah, it's coupled.
Red Transnet one.
Yeah. Containers.
Is it gonna go
this way around?
That way around.
I think all my tracks are right. I have to double check, but it's fine.
Has it also got mannetjies that can talk?
Oh yeah, when you read and it brings up you won't hear it. When I stop,
yeah. Once he stops, maybe. Was dit successful perhaps? They're still Afrikaans, I mean, dis mos hoe dit nou was. So stunning, man.
Oops, I pressed the wrong button and slammed on brakes.
No. It's just as well. Now they can have a nice view over the bridge here.
Yeah, I'm going to start it off again. What I did is I hit F7, which is usually a different sound, but on this loco it's different. So I'm going to stop there, right? Waiting for permission to go. Oh wait, let's see if they will talk on the radio. It's radio. Guys, can I right?
Yeah, I had the camera right.
That's why I had to stop. I had to get what's permissie.
Permissie.
Yeah.
Permissie kry.
Permissie.
All sheep here.
Yeah.
The
My
trees.
Aussie friends would have a ball.
I think it must be a great hobby making these trees.
Yeah.
I think that must be a
Chris loves doing it. Yes, he loves making the trees.
Is he in Gorge?
No, he's in Cape Town. In Cape Town.
Yeah.
I'm going to bring that train into the station, but they're not going to uncouple the locals.
Yeah.
So in case I need to run something past it, it's not going to stand in the way. Because with the locals, it's too long.
Yeah.
I like the sound of those things.
Yeah, it's cool, man.
And then we'll run the road or something.
Why not,
And
man?
you can take a video when I run the road with there by the garage door, because then you can see the light through the train and maybe the people there.
Yeah. Paul, you know how much my dad will appreciate seeing this again. I mean, it's just like the real thing.
Playing with the throttle a bit as I come in. Okay, donkey Niels, donkey.
Dankie, Niels, dankie. got a couple of carriages, eh?
Yeah. So maybe the closed coaches, like the compartments and that, you might see the odd passenger sitting by the window, waving. But the open wagons, like the dining and lounge and that back one, there's tables and chairs, you'll see them better.
Yeah.
So that's slowly.
Oh, awesome. It's actually more light from the outside.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's why it's record from where the light's shining through.
Yeah, I'm actually holding it facing towards the inside because the light, it's more light on it from the outside there.
And then when the back one passes the camera, you'll see that back open bit, like balcony bit.
Yeah.
It should pick up there's people there too.
Welcome to the Rolos Rail.
The back one will pass.
Through the tunnel there. A mountain terrain again here. Buses.
And a log truck going to the logs.
Log truck. I want that job with that log truck there.
Yeah.
Coming out of the tunnel here. Nice house to stay in at the top here.
Yeah, I like the house on the hill in the corner.
That must be awesome living there.
They drive a Merc, I think, so they're quite well off people.
I see that,
Yeah, quite an English Merc.
I see that. Back to the station after a 6-day trip through Malawi.
I'm glad this one loop is not 6 days long. Start slowing down. I don't know if I can get the wheel sound. No, it doesn't want to do the wheel sound.
Next tour starts.
See if I can get the brake sound in. Niels het sy werk gedoen. Okay, there we go. That is now a staunch Afrikaanse woman.
Ek hoor dit. That is so bloody cool.
It's still switching on. It's just the compressors and stuff coming on.
Yeah.
And it's the electric locomotives that always used to pull the Transkaroo. I used to go to school on that. So it sounds exactly like them.
Does the Transkaroo even exist?
It's now the Shoshiloza Mail.
Okay.
Okay, listen how the blowers come on when I blow. This is pulling 15 coaches plus that thing behind the two locos is a steam generator.
Yeah.
It's to run the steam heaters they used to have in these trucks.
I was focusing on the wrong one, they just now with the sound.
No, it doesn't matter, you still pick up the sound.
Still pick up the sound there.
Slow down a bit so when it comes this way you can look for that coach with the passenger.
Make it go around 2 times if you like.
Yeah.
I'm recording all of it busy going in, and then now we can record
where there's more light.
all of it coming out.
See, it's, I think fourth from the back, somewhere around there's one with people.
Yeah.
It's open, it's not got compartments. The windows, the light should shine through.
Yeah.
I'll go a bit faster, and then when it comes around there I'll slow it down. That's a long thing.
Maybe make it go all the way around if you can.
It's coming through.
And
I'll slow it down when it comes.
stand ready for it, yeah.
Yeah, because there's enough light, so I think you might catch the people.
Even got some cows resting, yeah.
We'll come out the tunnel and I'll put the blowers on as well for the sound of it.
I really wouldn't mind living in any of these houses, yeah.
Yeah, there's no crime, no theft.
Yeah, ever. There we come. Coming over the bridge.
The one near the back will have people in it. I think it's called from the back. A little bit slower to the
Yeah, I'm recording blindly, but I know it's going to come out because there's more light from the outside towards the in than from the inside looking out.
Most of those are the Lima coaches from our childhood days, and then the 4 or 5 at the rear are more modern ones that a guy like Jan makes.
I must impress, even seems to have lights inside.
There's one that looks like it's got lights. How they did it is I think they got reflectors in the ceiling.
Yeah.
So when the light shines in, it looks like the lights are on. It's in the dining car.
Yeah, I see one's got a heap of people in it, yeah?
Yeah, that's the one. That's the only one. In this train, everybody's eating.
Yeah.
Or whatever they do.
And we go along the train station here.
You have to do it to stop. Stop.
See, a train can't stop instantly.
No, you've got to judge, and especially with the different trains.
Yeah.
There we go. Switch that one off. Should I run the iron off?
If you want to.
Yeah. Let's try. I wonder if my 34 class will pull the containers. I've got last time I didn't have this GM Lima. It's an old Lima locomotive that we modified and put on a sound decoder.
Okay.
Oh wait, but maybe I can pull the this section here of the goods train.
What is this one with like black wheels on top of it, yeah?
That's a locomotive wheel carrier.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just got a whole host of large...
Yeah. It's locomotive wheels, says.
Yeah. Probably from steam locomotives.
No.
Let's make sure that our socks a little bit shorter there, because this just fits in the siding.
Just look at all the people.
Yeah,
and
put more
cars.
people. Even on the other side there's like a sidewalk and people are there.
Yeah. It's amazing how you've got everything to scale, you call. The people, the cars, the houses, the trains, the buildings.
Let me see if I can see.
The cranes.
Yeah.
Have you got fish by any chance? That's about the
No,
only thing.
we need water still. Actually, that young kid that's so train mate, Adrian, when he was here, we were trying to figure out how we're going to make water, but we haven't got that far yet.
And I'm really becoming fussy, eh?
No, that's fine.
I'm expecting you to have a dam on a farm, one of the farm ones here, with some fish in it.
I'm going to try something. I'm going to try to take the container train with this loco, but I need to find the loco. Not that one. There you go.
I'll be there now.
Yeah, so it's only got one wagon on it at the moment, but I'll see if I can pick up something. Well, I might.
Everything.
It's actually pulling a bit.
It is.
And the gears, I don't hear the gears too much. Let's give it a round and see how it goes.
Yes, yeah, it is.
I just want to fix my tracks this side because otherwise I'm going to go into the rollers train.
Yeah.
Just pick up a little speed for it. No, it actually runs like that.
Yeah.
My old loco, it's fine.
Have you never tried it with
pulled short loads with it, but that container train, it's not the longest, but it's you've got to wait. Because most of those containers are molded out of resin, so they're fairly heavy. The Hyundai one and the 3 back for tissue ones are like that. That's going okay. Even through the S. Let's see, I can give it a bit of speed.
I think you find it better recording the whole thing going in, and then the whole thing coming out again at another stage.
Around again.
Oh, nice.
Oh, it's actually pulling fine.
It is, it's pulling it lekker, yeah.
Those are good locos, those units. And that thing is probably at least 20 years old.
Like a little Jeep, yeah.
Oh yeah, in the long grass.
And your trees that had to be logged.
Yeah. I'm going to come around again, but I'll go slower when I come out the tunnel.
Is this one got a little dog with the
I think so, yes.
white dress?
There's a few dogs, yeah. She's got a dog, there's a few dogs this side. And by those houses where there's a little group there.
I'm just putting my finger next to it so people can get a perspective
Yeah,
of the size.
They're tiny.
That's how real it looks.
Yes, even this side are little dogs as well, yeah, by the paving between the sheds and houses.
Yeah.
So I'm going to come around slowly with the train.
Nice. About to come out of the tunnel, yeah. Cool, man. Over the Victoria Falls Bridge out.
That's a nice speed for a old mountain.
Yeah. It's really beautiful, Tom. It's so stunning, man. People don't know what they're missing if they don't, when they don't know. Even
Okay.
ladies and gentlemen, have a look at the Drakensberg coming.
It's just filled up, topped up with water, so it's
Just topped up.
only a short train. Oh yeah, the water.
Near the water, yeah.
They were a bit late with that.
Nice wagons.
Yeah. Old wagon. If I can point so right, it's the ridiculous points there.
Yeah. I'm gonna come just in front
And
of
that
you.
one can move. That's only got two coaches. No people in there, unfortunately.
Yeah, that doesn't matter. It's got to get itself to its next destination to pick the people up.
Probably right. Run it through, yeah, I'm just checking at my tractor, right?
Yeah. Whoa, it can move, eh? Oh, gotta be quick with this one.
I'll have to slow down before the station because there's a lot of points. Short little train, but it's quite a nice.
Yo. Hy vat nie skerp nie, meneer. That wood.
Yeah.
Now what happens with that wood? What's happening there now?
No, that's actually when they fill the water up and when they turn the tap closed. And
Okay.
the little water just, you can hear it drop. But
Okay, is that
I
what
don't
it's
know why it's going automatically because it should be by a tower. Okay, now I'm going to put it full throttle from stand and you'll hear the loco working nice.
I'm going to stand well ahead of it and wait for it, yeah. And then I'm quickly going to move the other side as it goes around.
It's going to pull away on its own. I've programmed it like this, so it pulls away realistically. Oh, they're shoveling coal as well.
Yeah. It's incredible.
Would actually look nice with the whole rig of those Drakensberg coaches, like a nice long one.
Yeah.
Oh, not really.
No, it's really.
Going down. Station in track 3. Playing with the throttle there, yeah. Really playing with it. When I put it up high, it like puffs loud.
Yeah.
And they're still struggling.
I hear that, yeah. Yeah, it's hard work inside there.
Yeah.
That's just how we kick, huh? Recording it. Good, I'm gonna hold it like that. Yeah, I'm not used to hearing them talk when they on their go.
Yeah.
I'm used to hearing them talk before they
Yeah,
go.
I push the button while we go. I'm not Nelson. I was like on stage watching the signal ahead.
Yeah.
Signal. I'll say it seems like I'm
Cool, man.
Diesels having.
I really like the tunnel as well.
Yeah. Check everything on the line. If something sounds like the other, that's fine. stop it there by the garage door.
Okay.
For a reason, I'll tell you now.
Mm.
I actually want to do something. I can organize it. Actually, no, I don't know. I can stop it there.
Beautiful.
Then I'm going to come couple the whole train, but then I'm going to...
Okay.
Actually pulling the whole lot. That 15F amazes me. Yeah, it's working hard.
Mm.
It's actually pulling the whole lot. I'll actually run it around and then... It's actually pulling this. I'm surprised. I'll run it around for you once and then I'm going to add that engine.
There's about 20 of them here.
Yeah, not bad. I've got more, but this is all my SAR stuff, the old SAR thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can add Spoonhead stuff, but this is my whole collection of SAR.
Okay.
And I'm going to bring it around again and then, in fact, I can even do it. No, there's too much space now. Maybe I'll do it that side. Yeah, about that.
Let's record it coming out.
I'm going to stop it here, hey? Then I'm going to do
Okay.
a legal thing. I'm going to pick up the motor.
Oh, don't say that.
I never do it in real life. Can't actually come. I'm going to start applying brakes. Where's the brakes on there?
Neil? Okay, Ross now.
Yeah, Niels is in bed. He doesn't want
Is
to...
Neil still in this one?
Yeah,
Okay.
Niels is retired. Well, he worked his shift.
Yeah.
So now, I don't know, there's some quiet people in there. Doesn't really matter.
Doesn't matter, yeah.
You'll see I'm using...
Excellent.
In fact, I'll start here because you can record me using the phone.
I'm recording right now.
Oh, okay. Oh, my screen's
It's not like this pressure.
great.
I mean, they must get the feel of what all this is about.
There's the horn. Now I'll find the throttle, and then I'll go to the bottom of the throttle. Now we don't want to open the throttle too much. 19, that's fine.
There we go. 2 steam locos now coming past.
Yeah, they sound in synchronization.
Yeah.
I'm going to try and speed it up a bit. But this is difficult because it's a digital throttle. So there we go. A little bit fast.
Stop it. Oh, I'm recording now.
Okay, you can record it,
Yeah.
stop and stop because it sounds nice when it stops. I'm just monitoring my train. It's so heavy, especially trains, steel coil wagons. Still not steel.
2 steam locos coming again. You know, if you in the far background, Nicole, it made this now, you in this one now, it made these trains look so much larger.
Okay. I'll quickly come there recording and I'll do the start procedure and then I'll
Okay.
move there and monitor while it's pulling away. So we blow the horn,
We're
select
recording now.
throttle, find the throttle and we can only take it up a little bit. 19, that's a good speed. To pull on here because train's very heavy. speed it up a bit now.
Okay.
Little bit. You can record the train
I'm standing
passing
dead
sometimes.
still, you know.
Yeah.
I've got this guy with his horse, and then the train, and you in the background. Then it gives a clear perspective of the size of this train.
Slowing down because I'm battling with this digital throttle. There we go. I'm still on 13. Let's try and select a high throttle. Yeah, the engine's picking up. I'm going to play with the throttle a bit.
Without any doubt, the longest one I've seen.
Yeah. Nice speed to record the wagons, and you can get the individual wagons in.
Yeah, this is nice and close up to them,
Nice
yeah.
long train.
The best light out of the entire place, you know.
Did you record from behind the loco so you can actually count the wagons on the video?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Sorry it's taking so long, it's just a long train.
No, that's the whole idea.
And I'm going slow.
That's the whole idea.
Yeah.
To show the length of this train. I mean, some people there in America have to park and wait
Yeah.
for hundreds of them to pass.
Yeah. It's almost that long.
Hapag Lloyd, Submarine, Schenker.
And then I'm going to come around again and then I'll stop the locos probably by the bridge so I can uncouple the containers in their siding. And then we'll have the conventional train which I'll shunt into its siding. I'm just going to crawl around slowly. I don't want to go too fast. Because I know what's going to happen. The one's going to derail on the point. But it's a stubborn wagon.
Yeah.
And then I can record.
I'm recording.
Okay. Can I get that?
Ja.
Die krag nou dit gegaan. Dis weer.
Je kan hem reverse as je wil.
Ja, die krag het daar dood gegaan. Hy kan self gaan staan daar. Dis weer.
Hierdie manier jy kan loop. Okay.
Dit is my son, my vriend. Ja, heel natuurlijk.